Among eminent personalities who graced the event were Governor Willie Obiano, the Imo State Deputy Governor Prince Eze Madomere, former Chief of General Staff Commodore Bitu Kiwe, former Minister of External Affairs General Ike Nwachukwu, and frontline politician Chief Mrs. Josephine Anene. Others are Professor Anya O. Anya, former Chief of Army Staff Admiral Alison Madeke, former Chairman Police Service Commission Chief Simon Okeke, Chief George Obiozo, among others. With the sub-theme Kain Dozie Alaibo, the forum raised issues bordering on the numerous agitations for equity and fairness by the Igbo nation, the need for one central Igbo leadership, the reckless marginalization of Ndi Igbo in the country, as well as the call on Ndi Igbo to think home when investing. Declaring the forum open, Governor Willie Obiano, who expressed happiness that Ndi Igbo are beginning to appreciate the need for togetherness in the fight for the economic emancipation of the Southeast, observed that the issues of Igbo unity and economic development, which the forum aims to brainstorm on, is what his administration had since its inception dedicated itself towards its realization. He revealed that his decision to sustain the intense crackdown on crime and criminals, which later turned into a regional campaign when he hosted the Regional Security Summit for Southeast and Delta, the establishment of ANSIPA, as well as the development of the 4 key pillars to act as a clear guide into the heartbeat of the state economy, are all geared towards ensuring that wealthy in the Anambra across board bring their wealth home to invest. Commending the Ohaneze for the initiative, Governor Obiano reminded them of the strategic role they must play in galvanizing all other pan-Igbo groups towards the Igbo cause.
That is why I'm happy that the basic thrust of this forum are twofold: Igbo unity and Igbo economic development. We must unite as a people to build an economy.
Former Chief of General Staff Commodore Ukiwe, in his remarks, said the Igbo nation has been through a lot, but have survived all because of the spirit of resilience and industry that had inspired excellence in her people, and noted that now is the time for the race to fashion out ways and take action towards becoming a model in regional development.
We have to move, not just move to take a position, but move to excel beyond, not only Biden, but many other roots. We have always been at the top of events in this country.
Chairman on the occasion and former governor of Anambra State, Dr. Ezife, who emphasized that Ndi Igbo need true leaders who will jettison personal interests and fight for the common good of the people, commended Governor Obiano for his efforts so far at supporting the Igbo cause and sued for unity and increased collaboration among governors of the Southeast towards the Igbo agenda.
Foundation for Igbo leadership.
In an address, the acting President General of Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, Chief OAU Onyema, explained that the forum is designed as a Southeast development program to create the platform that will bring critical stakeholders together to brainstorm on how Ndi Igbo can take their destiny in their own hands for the economic expansion and the industrial revolution of Igbo land.
Towards the progress, welfare and advancement of Ndi Igbo. Being able to carve out your time to attend this event is a sign of the needed commitment required to drive the affairs of Ndi Igbo forward.
The event later featured an interactive discussion where other participants expressed their views on the subject matter, after which a communique was developed. I am Kenechukwu Ofoma, reporting for ABS News.